Hello everybody. Today we'll have a nice talk about the navigation in your brain. You know the navigation system in your car, but that in your brain is even better. And the navigation system in your brain is fed by the information of the neuromuscular system. Muscle, the sense of the muscle, Golgi tendon and muscle spindles, interoception, that's all the sensory equipment in the fascia and in the muscle. They go up in that area, and that's a master switch in the area of the neck. And then they go to feed the small brain, which is the architect for movement, and then vestibular system, the eyes, and your navigation system. If you walk on the street, so in a special direction, you look at that and you do not have to focus on left and right hand side. So there's a smooth pursuit, which is well organized. And then there are saccades, and they jump left and right, and they guarantee that your brain has a perfect information what's going on beside you. For example, in a football player, he's running, and the saccades guarantee, oh, there are 3 players left-hand side, 2 players right-hand side, 2 from the opponent, from the other team, and he's running. The navigation system is able to calculate what's going on. So in the end, he's able to play the pass perfectly, and that's the assist to score a goal from another player. And in Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi, they have this 360-degree orientation system. Their navigation system is brilliant, but we can train that. We did that training with all the players in Leipzig, and the knowledge for that is related to the knowledge of the neuromuscular system. The muscle and the tendons and the kinetic chains, the myofascial chains have to be balanced. That we do with MyoReflex. Second, we train the eyes. Third, we measure the navigation system with eye tracking. And for that knowledge, so in 2015, the medicine field, the Nobel Prize went to Trondheim, to Moser and Moser. And a friend of them is Bo Keller, who is part in our team. And together we developed the access to treat all complex symptoms in the neck with the knowledge of the navigation system. And we are able to detect deficits. And then we are able to train personalized and individualized. The Chinese and Ayurvedic and Tibetan medicine, they had special points in the neck, which is atlas and scalene and jaw muscles. They focused on that to improve vision and to improve the capacity of orientation and the ear. And people didn't know for how is that possible. But today we know it is possible. And if you have problem with vertigo and tinnitus and balancing problem, fatigue syndrome, migraine, neural pain, nerve pain, and problem with focusing and attentionary system, even projections and revert pain in your arms and in your fingers or in your legs. So then we are able to focus on that. And the experience which we had, the success which we had, now is proved by that Nobel Prize. In future direction, we should be able to predict what kind of disease eventually you can get. And it's going so far that 5 to 10 years before people go to develop a morbus Parkinson, we are able to find a special pattern of the saccade system which is affected. Or 5 years before somebody is going to develop a multiple sclerosis, we should be able to see a pattern. And so we are willing to pre-emptying the disease to recognize risk factors and then to find the right answer, which is individualized, personalized treatment and training. So eye tracking, that's the future, and care your navigation system. And one thing is attacking the brain. So that's the bad food and bad nutrition. So care the gut, and care the brain. So then there is a good opportunity to find the right direction in near future. Thank you very much.